Okay, so today's video is brought to you by Longqi Hair. Hello, how you doing? I'm wearing 28 inches of Peruvian beauty, 28 inches of Cambodian beauty is what I have on my head. It's a wig that I made myself, and I'm wearing a 20-inch frontal, 3 bundles, and it's 20, 22, 20, 24, 26, 28, I think, but the longest is 28 inches. Longqi Hair is a company I've been working with for a really good while, and I enjoy their customer service. I rave about the customer service, and I enjoy the hairs that I've gotten from them. Make no mistake, whatever hair I have, I no longer have, because I've given away my hairs, and my friends who have given them to, they still have them to this day. They still wear them. They sew them in, so that's a lot of wear and tear. Well, it should have a lot of wear and tear, but it doesn't. The hair is amazing quality, which is why you invest in certain things. Certain things you invest in, you spend the money for, because it's going to last a long time. You know what I mean? For us who do videos, we can get hair, we can get makeup. Some of us, I have to buy my shit, but I can get hair. You know what I mean? So for my friends who I know we have them for a long time, it has been doing them good so far. No complaints here. So again, Longqi Hair, big up on herself. Cambodian straight. This was supposed to be my birthday hair. It came in late. I am not too happy about it, but I'm happy about the quality that I have. So this will definitely be my Christmas hair. I'm going to be personalizing it. I'm personalizing the frontal, because this our Portmore branch won't be having Christmas service, but the Kingston branch will be, and this is what I want to wear for Christmas service and have it on for the day. So yeah, so this is it for this little intro for my hair. Again, Longqi Hair, Cambodian straight, 28 inches. I'll leave their information running through the video, and I'll also leave additional information in the description bar below. More curry goat and roti with lemonade. Okay, so this video is going to be a story time. I have several story times lined up for you guys. I have not been making any videos, so I've just been like stepping back and kind of re-evaluating and everything. So I have story time for you guys. I have several, and a couple of them will not paint me in a good light, but I'm still gonna talk about it, because when the darkness must come to light. So I've been doing YouTube for years now, and I've met a couple of people, and people who've reached out to me because they like my personality. I want to gift me things. People who've reached out to me and they just want to help out, you know, the Lord or whoever lay me on their heart, and they just want to you know, make, you know, life a little bit easier for me and my family. So there's this one lady, I really can't remember her name. If I could, I probably wouldn't say it. It's probably a fake name. She strung me along for a very good period. First of all, I can't remember how she contacted me anyway. So she contacted me, and she was talking to me, you know, how much I did for her and the videos and stuff, which is at that time, sorry, that wasn't new to me, because I would get emails like that, I'd get messages like that, you know what I mean? So that wasn't new to me. She just said it. I was like, hey, you know what, you know, I was like, yeah, you know, you're welcome. And I basically just live my life, bro, and I feel like just living your authentic self, that alone will gravitate people to you. You know what I mean? People gravitate to you because of that authenticity. No, she had gotten to me at a point in my life where I was strapped as a hell for cash, honey. Like, I'm not gonna say I was broke, but honey, I ain't have it, boo-boo. And she was offering to pay it was at a point in my life where I was low, Lord. I was so low, Lord Jesus. I was lower than the ground. Anyway, so, you know, she reached out to me, not allowed to leave up on her altar or something like that, and, you know, she wants to bless me, and she wants to give me 3,000 US. And immediately I was like, this is not new to me. And we had no money. So I'm like, everything can be paid. The rent, like everything can be paid with some left over and then savings. Fine. Guys, I'm gonna tell myself for weeks. The woman here just obviously I'm thinking back, I'm laughing because even back then I had people hated me more than no, like literally hate me more than no, and they would write me. I even have one to tell you guys about somebody who wrote me. They would write me, they would leave, I mean they would just do the absolute most, honey. Yeah, and in comparison to no, there was nothing out there to protect us as content creators. I feel like no, there's stuff that we can do to protect ourselves, you know what I mean, like legally and stuff. So now it has died down, but back then, man, she strung me on good. Gave her like my banking information to wire the money wasn't working, send her my name and shit for where's the unit, that shit wasn't working, and she had to me she come from church, and then how she just didn't have a time and the children, and she would call me. I would literally hear her voice until I just let it go. I was like, you know what? I didn't respond to her. Like I kept I'm such an idiot. I kept on saying, yo, you're good, how's everything going? Because you know this and this is coming up, and I was telling her you said this and I just stopped, and obviously she stopped because she knew what she was doing. And to this day I don't know if she was genuine, but I don't think she was being genuine at all. And and I'm telling you guys I'm telling you guys this to say this. You guys know I'm a pessimist. I really think the glass is half full. I'm more like, you better get some water in there. You know it's half empty, right? That's for me. So when this happened, it was just like, wow, this is good. 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 But it didn't quite work out how I wanted it to. But being that this story time is short, let me guys tell about the other one that emailed me. So somebody had emailed me saying that they want to work with me, right? And how much I charge for review or whatever. And I told them my rate, and I was being very, you know, because I thought it was a business email. So I was like, yo, this is how much I charge and stuff. And they wrote me back and they said, oh, we won't be able to do this. I'm like, oh no, that's fine, man. Whatever, you know, at your convenience, let me know. I did not do anything hostile, nor like under the table or nothing. I was just like, oh no, man, whenever you're ready, just hit the sister up, because I'm her. This woman went off on me. Oh, me a bitch, I'm a fat, and I can't hold in her leggings anywhere, and I'm not gonna fit me, and that's why Jamaican this and Jamaican like that. And at the time, I kind of think I knew it was, but in retrospect, I don't know what it was, honey, because I'm telling you, back in those days, people hated me, and they would reach out to me. People call my phone and threaten me, you know what I mean? So it was deep for me. So when that happened, all I could do was just laugh. Like on the second email was when my antennas went up, and I just felt uncomfortable. Like, I don't know if this is legit or not, but I didn't give no bad feelings, you know what I mean? Because sometimes the antenna can go up and no, and maybe I just call the antenna go up, kind of call, but never call. It was showing me the nastiness of the smarty. But yeah, so those are the two times. Well, the one time I got scammed, and the other time I was cussed up for no good reason. So yeah. I have one more story time I want to tell you, but that's a little bit deeper because that affected friendships that I made here on YouTube. So that will be a different video, another story time video. But anyway, yeah. So this is it for this video, guys. Again, Longqi Hair, girl. Cambodian string, honey. 28 inches, honey. Frontal, honey. Yes, girl. Boo boo. Gone with your bad self. Gone with your bad self. Gone with your bad self. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.